Earn 5 Kula for completing the Discord social bounty. Hold at least 600 Kula tokens, join the Discord channel, post a message in the general chat and invite 3 of your friends. Locate the Discord bounty section on the airdrops and rewards page. Copy the link to join the Discord channel and click on it. Continue to Discord, and join the Kula official Discord channel. Enter the general chat, and post a message. Make a screenshot of your message, as you will need it later. Invite 3 of your friends to join the Kula official Discord channel, by sending them the link you copied earlier. Once completed, you can log in to your ICO account, to claim the Discord bounty reward. Select Bounty from the menu. Scroll down to locate the Discord bounty and click on Apply. Provide your username in the notes, add the screenshot, and click on Submit. Once you have successfully completed the bounty, 5 Kula tokens will be added to your Kula ICO account, upon approval by Kulaplaza. Check out the other bounties, to receive even more rewards.